I'm a beginner artist and I want to level up my art so that I can call myself as an intermediate artist. I have 12 months to train myself and I don't want to waste my time just like I did in 2020. Hello guys, I'm Saranya. Welcome back to my channel. This video is all about my art goals to level up my art. So let's get started. I get distracted very easily. For example, when I go to YouTube to watch some tutorials, YouTube shows me these videos and I get distracted.
One eternity later.
Then I realized that I have wasted a lot of time and I don't want that to happen this year. So I created many playlists for tutorials and added them to watch later so that YouTube will show me those videos first. My art goal for the month of January is to complete Begin Drawing Challenge. I will learn how to control my lines, how to bring life into my drawings, forms and perspective, as well as shading. I will be uploading my process on YouTube as well as on Instagram. My second art goal is to study many artists as possible. Every 2 months, I will choose 3 artists to steal from. It's more like studying the artist, like the color palettes they use, do they color their line art, how they exaggerate the expression of the characters, etc. I will start this from the month of February, and these are the 3 artists I will be studying from. Moving on to my third art goal, that is to complete 100 days of sketching and Inktober. But this year, I'm going to try to tell a story through my art. My fourth art goal is to create a habit of drawing every day. I know it is difficult, so I thought of doing this as a daily challenge. I get my sketchbook, open Pinterest, and draw something inspired from the post. I'm allowed to swipe down only thrice so that I don't waste my time scrolling down through the pages to find a perfect reference. And my fifth art goal is to upload 1 video a week and to get 1,000 subscribers before 2022.
So please whatever. Please so please Okay, thank you.